This film explains how to use the Staff Responsible mode. The Staff Responsible mode, or SR, is used when the signalling system is unable to issue an MA. This is written order number 1, or at start of mission when a train's position is invalid or unknown to the system. This is written order number 7. You must always follow the instructions on the written order. SR has a preset ceiling speed of 25 miles per hour. In some locations, the speed in SR can be manually increased by the driver. These areas are defined in the sectional appendix. However, this function is not to be used. SR will either be offered by the system to the driver or initiated by the driver using the override procedure. If offered by the system, the driver will not acknowledge SR, but first contact the signaller and complete written order number 7. On receipt of the authorization number, the driver will acknowledge SR by pressing and holding the acknowledgement button or touchscreen icon for 2 seconds. Then complete the override EOA procedure. This can only be selected when the train is at a stand. Tap the speedo to display the permitted speed block. To suppress a brake activation when starting in SR mode, select Override on the main menu, then EOA. The train will now be in SR mode with EOA override active. Once selected, the onboard ERTMS equipment will disregard the first trip command received within a fixed distance of 60 meters or 65 yards, or within a fixed time of 4 minutes and 15 seconds from the point at which the override EOA is selected, whichever occurs first. Failure to use the override EOA will result in a train trip. During the movement, when the radio block center receives a valid position report, it will issue an MA. The train will then transition to on-site mode or full supervision mode. If the RBC cannot issue an MA for the subsequent section, the train will remain in SR mode and must be brought to a stand by the driver at the limit of the written order.